Now we're going to learn how to multiply 3-digit times 2-digit using our friend Tippy and using the turtlehead method. We're going to start by doing our normal, circling what's in the ones in the neck times the head, and that's what's in the ones, tens, and now hundreds, so his head does get a little bigger. You want to start by multiplying what's in the neck times the ones. Don't forget to carry. What's in the ones times the tens, and that's 12, plus that 1 is 13. But you have another number to carry over into the hundreds. Now we multiply what's in the neck, the ones, times the hundreds. And that will give us 6 times 1 is 6, plus that 1 on his head, which is 7. Now it's time to go through our 3 steps so that we don't forget anything. The first step is to cross off carried numbers so that you don't get confused. Did that. Draw a collar. Show that you're done with what's in the ones place. And the most important step is to drop an egg right under the collar. You want that in the ones place so that you can start putting your answers in the tens place. I've erased my turtle head, and I'm going to draw a new one, but this time it looks a little weird. It could be a turtle looking both ways, or he's got a bump in the back of his head. It's just to show, since we put that color, that we're done with the ones place. And now we multiply the tens. This is really a 5 in the tens place, so that's really the number 50. 50 3 times is 150. And I carry that 1, and I have the 150 right here. The egg is giving us part of our answer, but we put it ahead of time. The most confusing thing is being sure that you carry here. I know that's right where the tens is, and we're used to carrying up in the next place, but we are multiplying the tens times the ones place, so our answer needs to be carried here. Now I'm going to multiply the tens times the tens, and that is 10, 5 twice is 10, plus the 1 gives us 11. We have a third number, so we need to carry it here. Now I multiply the tens times the hundreds. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1 is 6. Our number's getting big. The last step is to add our partial products. Here's the answer to 123 times 6. Here's the answer to 123 times 50. We now add and put them together, those partial products, to get our final product. Final step that I like to do, sometimes before I even solve the problem, is round each number off so that I can see if my answer is anywhere in the ballpark, anywhere near the right answer. I'm going to go ahead and round 123 off to the nearest 100. And I'm going to round 56 off to the nearest 10, because if I round it to the nearest 100, I think that estimate would be too high. So 56 rounds to 60. Now I multiply 160 times would give us 6,000. Our real answer was 6,888. That's a pretty good estimate.